What's up everybody, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, comment in the comment section below what you think of this kit. Hopefully the wind's not blowing you out too much. We got this microphone on there, but sometimes it doesn't work. So we lifted this truck and it's got a little secret. It is on the 3.0 liter baby Duramax. So a nice little turbo diesel, gets great fuel economy until we get our hands on it and try to roll some bigger tires. But we'll talk to the owner at a later date, figure out what kind of fuel economy he's getting from this setup. Hopefully it's not too bad. But let's go ahead and get to this walk around. All right guys, as you can see, a 2020 GMC. This is the Sierra Elevation cloth interior. But we sent this up 6 inches on the BDS kit. And what a lot of these manufacturers are going to tell you is that due to the hard plastic lines that run the transmission lines and the coolant lines, it's really hard to drop those to fit the drive shafts. But Andrew did fabricate up something custom. Keep an eye out for that video on how to retrofit these kits to fit the diesel, and make sure you're clearing those lines without any kinking or anything like that. We've got all those measurements. But yeah, as you can see, baby turbo diesel, so hopefully a lot of the guys that are looking at going with the diesel 3/4 tons, give this a second look. 6 inches up on the BDS kit. This is not magnetic ride control, as you can see, no extra wires. But this customer decided to not change out the wheels because, you know what, these wheels are awesome. A little fork look. They're a little dirty, but so is everything in Colorado right now. We've got a whole bunch of sand and ice melt on the roads. He went with a 275/65 R20. These are the Wrangler Duratracs. These get rave reviews. Everybody loves these tires. Great in pretty much anything you can throw at them. So basically this customer went from almost a 33 up to now about a 34. So didn't go up too high, but it doesn't look like this truck skipped leg day. So that's the nice thing about it. And then he also went with the NFAB stirrup steps. Obviously with this setup we didn't have to do any trimming like we would have to with 35s and 12 wides. A lot of times with those bigger setups and the wider setups, you're getting into even metal trimming back here. All right, y'all, thumbs up, subscribe, and ask any questions about this kit in the comment section below. We will link that video once we have it published of how to retrofit these, how to build that bracket that'll allow you to drop those transmission and coolant lines. But yeah, thumbs up, subscribe. We'll talk to you guys soon.